gonna make a low carb chicken pasta casserole. Gonna put about 10 ounces of any low carb pasta of your choice on the bottom of your baking dish. I did penne pasta, or as Kim calls it, penne pasta. We're gonna start with that, and then we're gonna add in our pasta sauce. Do your pasta sauce of choice. I did a roasted garlic because that's as you guys know, I love the garlic. And as you can hear, our daughter has joined us today. Moving right along, we got 1/3 cup of heavy cream. This is great for y'all folks who are trying to do low carb but still want something tasty. And then we'll do 1 cup of chicken broth. Over that. Let's go ahead and get that mixed together a little bit. Yeah, girl. All right, once you have it slightly mixed up, we're gonna throw in our protein. I have about 1 pound of shredded chicken. I shredded myself that we're gonna put over that. You can also just buy a rotisserie chicken at the store, and that'll work great too, if you don't want to go through all the fuss. Oops, my wife pointed out I missed a little chicken. Don't want y'all fussing at me.
They would have said something.
I know it, as you should. And we got some chopped up green and red pepper, and I had a little bit of an onion left from another recipe that I went ahead and chopped up a little bit of that and put it in there. Get that kind of spread around. We're gonna throw in a little bit of seasonings. We got oregano. Baby girl's loving it. I like to be a little sparse with the oregano. I can only take so much of it, but it adds a great flavor. I'm gonna put in a tablespoon of minced garlic, good heaping tablespoon worth. Yeah, girl. And then add a little bit of that flavor. We got some Creole seasoning, Tony Chatry, of course. Mm-mm. We're going to throw in about a cup's worth of spinach on top of that. Yeah, folks, we're getting healthy and tasty around here. Go ahead and pat that down. Yeah, that's right, girl. She's excited about this one. And then finally, once you have all that on there, I'll get that pushed down into it. So it'll cook real nicely into it. We're gonna throw our cheese on top. I shredded a cup of mozzarella cheese. Put over the top of it. Yeah, she really likes this one. There we go. Make sure that's all. Get those last little pieces. All right, once you have it all in there, this is a simple dump and bake. So this is ready to go in the oven. We have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna throw it in there for about 30 minutes. Wait till it's golden brown on top. For about 30 minutes. All right, let's check this thing out. Oh yeah. Look at that, y'all. That is looking perfect. Got the golden brown on top, healthy. A little spinach popping out. Healthy and tasty. And I'm gonna let this thing cool down so I don't burn my mouth off. We'll come back and try it. All right, let's give this thing a try. Cheese. Look at that. Looks awesome. Oh yeah. What do you think, sweetie? Tasty, healthy. It's just a win-win all around. This is still a little hot. This is even better than I thought it was going to be. Whoa. Y'all, this is great. If you're trying to do low carb, just get some low carb noodles, throw them in there. Or if you don't care about low carb, get some regular noodles. Throw them in there. It'll be a great meal for you and your family. Enjoy.